Today is Wednesday, November 27, 2019. It's about 3 minutes to 2 p.m. Arizona time. We're in Nevada, but we're staying on Arizona time because it's on the other side of the Colorado River. But the wind is blowing in early. There's a storm coming. And all that stuff on the ground there. Palm tree cones? No. It's the what's left over after they trim the leaves. I got a bad glare right now. I can barely see what's in this lens finder screen. Look like a bunch of turtles coming down, or horseshoe crabs. Take a walk over and pick one up. Let it crinkle for you in the video. Here's a close one. Give you an idea how big that is. Yeah, okay. And this is what people use at Christmas time, like an elk's or a reindeer's top of a skull. I don't want to crack that one. That's nice. Step on that one for you. Okay, so that's about it for this one. Oh, we're staying on the riverside of our park and casino. We're here till the 1st. Thanksgiving Day is tomorrow. And the reason we're going by Arizona time yet, this is Nevada. Arizona doesn't change time. They stay up. Don't use daylight savings time. Don't use standard time. Just stay at the standard time. And we go grocery shopping and store shopping on that side, the Arizona side. All right, so that's it for this one.